You have a wobbly toilet in your RV that moves a lot. In most cases, you can just tighten these nuts up that are on the side and it'll tighten up the toilet. However, in my case, I've tightened these and it's still wobbly. I'm going to take the toilet out and show you what your cause may be. First thing, taking the toilet out, turn off the water pump, because if you take off the hose in the back, it'll just start to run. Next thing to do to take it out is you are going to unscrew these two bolts. And then in the back of the toilet, you should have a water connection. It should be hand tight, so you should be able to remove it just your fingers. Well, there's the issue on mine. It's got a broken flange. I need to fix this so my toilet will not move. So the fix for mine, I am going to add this toilet repair flange here. I'm putting it underneath because I don't want to mess up the seal of the toilet. I'm going to have to do a little cutting of this floor right here, and then I'll just screw it with the bolt already in there. I'm just going to take a razor blade and kind of cut out my floor a little bit. I have the floor kind of cut out there. If you just had the vinyl flooring, you probably wouldn't have to do this part. But since I have the laminate flooring over top of it, I need to cut it out. So here's what I ended up doing, just screwing this metal flange underneath. This bolt will stay. Screwed the flange to the floor, and then now I'm just going to add the toilet and see if that fixed my wobbly toilet situation. And there it is. Much better. And that's how I fixed a wobbly toilet. And as always, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.